Now, foods that support high blood pressure. Now we get into some nitty gritty. This where you need to write some stuff down. If you're not in Kareem's membership course, I want grown and sexy people up in mine, 50 and up. Looking. All right. Bananas are good for your blood pressure. This ain't sexy. I know you hate it, but we're going to get into the stuff you like to eat. I know we're going to get there. Just let me get past the stuff that's, nutritious and healthy. We're going to get to the things about what you like to eat. We know. Bananas, write it down. Potatoes, write it down. Sweet potatoes. Yes, you can have potatoes. Stop listening to these parents telling you can't have potatoes. I better have a certain type of potato. I'm like, stop it, man. All right, beans. We're not telling you what type of beans. Beans. A lot of people want to tell you to only eat certain this type of food. Stop it, man. The creator didn't give you no list. Long as the creator made it out there, you can have a blast with it. You can eat as much as you want. That's facts. Stop listening to these individuals telling you have to eat only these beans, this rice, this vegetable, this fruit. Leafy greens, many greens that you want. So I know we got some vegans in here. We got some actual vegetarians in here. I done them all. Okay. We got some keto people in here. Okay. So listen, we got some carnivore people in here. Paleo. Listen, we ain't at each other's throat. Okay. Okay. Just as long as I know how to take care of my body and enjoy this palate of this food, which goes down and what I enjoy to eat. Okay. Watermelon. That helps with your blood pressure. Okay. Berries help with your blood pressure. Oranges help with your blood pressure. Tomatoes help with your blood pressure. Okay. And oats. You tell you can't have no oats. Huh? I want you to write down grains. Because a lot of them people get confused thinking that they can't have no cereal. I talked about that yesterday. Think you can't have no oats. It's how you prepare it. You can have it all day long, man. You can even have the prepackaged one. It's what you buy. But you're adding high fructose corn syrup in there. You're adding a lot of dairy in there. You're adding more than a tablespoon of oils in there. And you're adding the wrong oils at that. So what? That you got a great source of fiber in there. You tearing up the lining of my gut. You giving me leaky gut. Let me finish the good foods. Oats, brown rice, white rice. White rice. I know you lying. Listen, I learned with a lot of teachers, okay? And a lot of them I 100% agree with, and some things I don't agree. Okay, so I know you're going to critique me and say, well, this teacher said this. This great teacher said this. This great teacher said this. What are you talking about? But they also said this too. And they also said that too. You have to understand that most of y'all don't understand the mitochondria of the body. You don't understand the melanated of the body. You don't understand the actual DNA structure. You don't understand the actual cells, the way they move. Though I'm not trying to confuse you with all the technical stuff. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so oats, brown rice, white rice, fruits, and vegetables. And I already gave you the rest. Anytime you see something that says over 20% fat, just know if you already had some fat that day, you eat more fat. You literally going to have about 0.3 to 0.5, half of a pound before the week is out. This is why you guys are gaining weight about a half a pound to a pound weekly, because you're eating fat. You're eating fat. Some of y'all not even adding oil to your food, but you're wondering why you're a vegan or vegetarian and you thick. Okay, instant noodles, dangerous. Might as well just go and make your noodles. Okay, high processed what? Frozen. You can actually still have the trash, but you're cooking it. Because why? Something about when a person is cooking it, they're a little bit careful what they're putting in their skillet, what's going to be on that plate. Sugar drinks, heavy restaurant meals. So all this stuff right here you can eat. You just got to be smarter about it. You got to make sure you read. That's one thing. I mean, I can't remember what Malcolm X said, or if it was Malcolm X or Martin Luther King. I think it was Malcolm X. I should Google it and see. If you want to hide anything from a black man, I would say change it up. You want to hide anything from anybody in America, put it in a book, man. So all you got to do is put it in the book. They're not going to read it. You got information right there on the back of that package, and you won't read it. That's the dangerous, is in the back. Fat is the first dangerous thing on there. Carbohydrates, not so much. Protein, not so much. Sodium, not really. It's really fat. Fat. Then the ingredients underneath. That's the danger zone. That you got to read. It's like a little small box about that long. You got to read that. And they know if you read it, you're like, I'm confused. If you don't want to read it, take a picture. Upload it to ChatGPT. Upload it to Gemini. They'll let you put the picture right up there and be like, I don't understand it. Break it down to me. Come on, man. Some of y'all should take the time to get about 20 things and rotate them. You need to get to know those 20 things that might be dangerous to you. So you need to learn. That's why I started the university school. That's why I'm opening up an educational institution in the state of Arizona. So I can make sure people can come meet up with Kareem for free and learn just like church. I ain't charging a dime. Nothing. You ain't got to get no tickets to come in and hear me. I need to make sure my elders that I'm always helping understand. Know how to talk to doctors. Understand their medication, their blood pressure. I will be sitting there. Now, if you take a lot of my time, yes, it's going to be a paid consultation. But for the most part, nah. Right there, I'm going to give that work. I have to. And I'll be online. The same time I'm in there, I'm going to be online like I am right now. Yeah, I want you guys to be educated because there's a lot of us natural healers out here educating people wrong. Nigga, you think you can't eat nothing. Sugar ain't the problem, man. Fat and the laced dairy and the laced high fructose syrup and the oils, and they always like to, that's their magical playground. They like to mix sugar with fat, oil, aka oils, and different types of dairies. That's their lane. Dairy, oils, sugar. That's their lane. That's their secret that gets that grilling underneath your stomach, have you addicted, and you can't turn it off. You can't quiet the sugar storm, and you're always having high blood pressure all the time. All the time. So if they're mixing those secret ingredients, which is pretty much in everything, you need to find something that don't have what? No dairy in it, no oil in it, and it just have sugar. Or it can have sugar and maybe some dairy, but no oil. You don't want to have all three. Stay away from stuff that have oil in the bad boy.